Sir, now I will explain how to write a program for prepared statement, right? Sir, let me take whatever I explained in the last video, whatever insert query, right? Now I want to insert multiple records into the database. Sir, by using prepared statement, just let me explain pseudo code and then I will explain the program, sir. Have a look once, sir. Sir, now I want to insert multiple records where I have to provide the data from the keyboard. Are you getting? Sir, if you want to provide the data from the keyboard, how you can provide, sir? What is the best way? Scanner class is the best way to read the data from the keyboard. Okay, dynamic input. Next, sir, I want to insert multiple records. Sir, not one record, multiple record. Compulsory we should go for what? Parameterized query. Dynamic query, sir. Query with question mark symbol. Compulsory we require to you. Same query, multiple times I want to execute. Because to insert multiple record, highly recommended. Better to go for what? Prepared statement. Have you observed, right? If you want to execute same query multiple times, prepared statement. With the different values, parameterized query. Remember, okay? How you can able to do? Next up, with the dynamic input, scanner like these concepts you should aware. Now let me go for first, let me ready with my query. What is the query, sir? Okay, string SQL query. String SQL query is equal to, sir, what is the insert query? Can you please guide, sir? Insert into employees, insert into employees, values, question mark, like this is. Are you getting? Now query is ready. Can you tell, is it static query or dynamic query? Dynamic query, because this query with the question mark symbols are there, that's why it is the dynamic query, right? Now what is the next one? With this query, create a prepared statement. Sir, prepared statement PST is equal to con dot, can you please tell which method we require to use? Con dot prepare statement. Sir, con dot prepare statement of this SQL query. Sir, now the speciality of this line A, the query will be compiled here only. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, here only the query got compiled, but before execution only query will be compiled only once in the case of prepared statement, you know, right? Now I want to read the data from the keyboard. To read the data from the keyboard, compulsory we should go for what? Scanner. Can you please guide, sir, how I can write scanner, how I can create scanner object? Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system.in. Are you getting? I created scanner to read the data from the standard input device, which is nothing but keyboard. Okay, like. Sir, now how many records you want to insert? I want to insert multiple records, right? Until end user entered no. Keep on asking. Do you want to insert one more record? Do you want to insert one more record? Do you want to insert one more record? Like I will keep on asking. If the end user entered yes, I have to insert. If the end user entered no, then I have to stop. Are you getting, right? Same type of example already we covered in the simple statement, sir. Now I want to use prepared statement. Sir, very simple. While of true. I will ask end user, please provide employee number. Sir, system.out.println enter employee number. Like this I'm asking. I want to read that. Can you please spell out, sir? Int enum is equal to sc dot next int. Are you getting that? Sc dot next int. Now I got enum. Same way you can ask enter employee name sc dot next string or next enter salary sc dot next double, enter address sc dot next, like this, right? Okay, sir, you can ask same for ename, esal and e-address. I'm not writing the code. So because you can visualize, you can imagine, because the same example already we covered in the last examples, right? Last session. Sir, now here, sir, all four values are ready, which is entered by end user. Set these values for our prepared statement. Okay, what I will take, PST dot set int 1 comma e number. First positional parameter I set with enum. This enum value entered by end user. I read that end user entered value by using scanner. Observe that. Similarly, can you please guide what is the next one, sir? PST dot set string of 2 comma ename. Are you getting? PST dot set double of 3 comma eval. 3 comma eval. Next, PST dot set a string 4 comma. PST dot set string 4 comma here e address. 4 comma e address, like. Is it clear? Are you able to understand, right? Whatever data I read from the keyboard by using scanner, I set at the positional parameter. All the positional parameters set. Now can I execute or not? Yes. Sir, which method we require to use? Execute update method, because it's not select a query, insert query. That's why PST dot execute update. PST dot execute update. Now, sir, I inserted the record. Sir, let me, if you want, you can write system.out.println record inserted successfully. Record inserted successfully. Like this I'm taking, sir. Record inserted successfully. What is the next thing I have to take, sir? Observe. Do you want to insert one more record? Are you getting? Do you want to insert one more record? Just ask SOP of, do you want to insert? Do you want to insert one more record? One more record? Do you want to insert one more record? Please enter yes or no. Sir, now read that option. String option is equal to SC dot next. SC dot next. I read the option. What is the option entered by end user? Sir, I'm asking, do you want to insert one more record? Yes or no? Do you want to insert one more record? Yes or no? If option dot is, sir, do you know, if option dot equals ignore case, equals ignore case of no, sir. Do you want to insert one more record? No. If it is a no, we are not required to continue this one. That's why break. Are you getting? Break. Otherwise, just automatically will be continued. Are you getting? Otherwise, automatically will be continued. Once again, enter employee number, enter employee salary, enter employee sir address, enter employee sir name, like it's going to enter. Set the value, record inserted. Sir, do you want to insert one more record? Once again. How many times this while loop is going to be repeated until end user keep on entering yes, automatically keep on the records will be inserted. If the end user entered no, do you want to insert one more record? No. Then only break, then only I will come out from the loop. Is it clear, right? But the speciality is, by using this, how many records we are going to insert? Yes, boss? How many records we are going to insert? Any number. 1 lakh, 1 crore records also you can insert, no problem at all. Point number 1. Sir, 1 crore records if you are going to insert, how many times the query is executing? 1 crore times. Observe, every time the query will be executed. How many times query is executing? 1 crore times if you are going to insert 1 crore record. But how many times the query is going to be compiled? Have you observed, right? How many times it is compiled? Only once. Yet what line the query compiled? Yeah, yet this line only once. Remember, compile only once, but execution can be happen crores of times. Automatically performance by default will be improved. Clear, right? Sir, the same example I executed in the last sessions with the statement object. If I use a statement instead of prepared statement, then query will be compiled 1 crore times also. Automatically performance is going to be down or not? Yes, that is what advantage of prepared statement. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, not required to keep much explanation about this one. That's all. This is the way how to insert multiple records by using prepared statement with a good improvement in the performance wise. That's it, sir. Basic idea you got. Now let me write the program. I will execute so that you will get much clarity, right? The total discussion whatever we did, now executable program is ready, sir. Just observe that. My requirement is I want to insert multiple records by using prepared statement object into database. How you can able to do that? Have a look once. Import java.sql.star, java.util.star. Why I am taking util? Why I am taking util? Because the reason is, what is the reason? I want to read the dynamic data from the keyboard. For that scanner is required. Scanner class present inside java.util package. Correct, right? Okay. Next, prepared statement demo 2. But anyway, I didn't explain demo 1. We will discuss. Don't worry, sir. Sir, public static void main class.forName connection con. This is the normal thing. Sir, here string SQL query is equal to, can you spell out what is the SQL query I am taking? Yes, insert into employees values question mark question mark question mark question mark like this. Can you tell, is it static query or dynamic query? Dynamic. If the query with the positional parameters, this thing is always what? Dynamic query only. Okay, now sir, create prepared statement. Content prepared statement of SQL query. Prepared statement is ready. Sir, anyone can you please tell what is the specialty of this line? What is the specialty of this line? Yet this line only query will be compiled. Remember that. Next, scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay. Now, sir, while loop I am going to start because I want to insert multiple records, right? Until end user entered no. Sir, while of true, enter employee number. Now I got employee number. Similarly, I will read ename, esal and e-address. You know the corresponding code, not required to keep much explanation. Sir, now whatever data you read from the command prompt, you read from the keyboard, ename, esal and e-address, can you please provide values in the place of positional parameter? PST.set into first positional parameter replaced with enum, second positional parameter replaced with ename, third one replaced with esal, fourth one replaced with the e-address. I am not hard coding anything, sir. Which is data is coming from the keyboard. Next, PST.execute update. Now, sir, record will be inserted successfully. Record inserted successfully. Sir, same while loop continuation. Do you want to insert one more record? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sir, string option is equal to SC dot next. Read the option, whatever end user entered. Yes, sir, if option equals ignore case of no. Sir, if end user entered no, do you want to insert one more record? No, no. If he is providing no, immediately break, come out of the loop. Regarding immediately break, come out of the loop. Sir, if end user entered yes, then while loop will be continued once again. Is it clear for all of it? So, how many times while loop is going to execute, sir? Multiple times while loop will be executed until end user entered no. Clear, right? Sir, now 1 crore records I want to insert. Can you tell if the same program is going to work out or not? Yes, 1 crore records will be inserted. Just you have to keep on entering the data. One thing. But how many times the query will be compiled? Only once. Yet this line, the query will be compiled. Creation of prepared statement. It is not while loop. So it won't execute 1 crore times. While loop, pst.execute update is available inside while loop. That's why this execution will be happen 1 crore times. But this creation of prepared statement is going to be happen how many times, right? Only once. Everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, now let me execute this program. Have a look once, sir. Yes, boss. Have a look once. Import java.util.star, java.sql.star. Next, the public class prepared statement demo 2. Regarding public class prepared statement demo 2, sir, string driver is equal to, sir, Oracle.jdbc.Oracle driver. Next, I hope you people aware all this nonsense from our previous examples, right? Sir, string SQL query is equal to, can I spell out what is our SQL query, sir? Insert into employees values like prepared statement PST is equal to condat prepared statement of SQL query. Sir, scanner S is equal to system.in, new scanner of system.in, while of true, sir, enter employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Okay. Next, PST done set into first employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. I said now execute, sir. Execute. Sir, record inserted successfully. Okay. Sir, now do you want to insert one more record? Do you want to insert one more record? Yes or no? Yes or no? Then automatically yes, sir. string option is equal to se dot next. Yes, okay. Sir, I have to read this one. If end user entered no break come out of the loop. If end user entered yes, then the while loop by default will be continued once again. Is it clear for all of you, right? Okay, that's all. This is a bit very important terminology you should aware, sir. Okay, let me execute this code, but before execution let me check in my database. Sir, how many rows are available in the employees table? Select star from employees. Select a star from employees. No rows are there, sir, because whatever the data I used a truncate command, that's why no rows are there. Okay, now let me go to command prompt java c prepared statement demo 2.java. Yes, compiles fine. Prepared statement demo 2 compiles fine. Java prepared statement demo 2, sir. Prepared statement demo 2. Yes, observe. Immediately it's asking enter employee number. Okay, 100 is the employee number. Enter employee name. Okay, sir, Durga is the employee name. Enter employee salary. 1000 is the salary. Okay, enter employee address. HYD is the employee address. That's all. Record inserted successfully. Do you want to insert one more record or not? Yes or no? Do you want to insert one more record or not? Yes, sir, I want to insert. Yes, once again while loop is going to continue. Enter employee number 200. Enter employee name, this time Sunny. Okay, Sunny. Enter employee salary 2000. Enter employee address. Okay, Mumbai, like this, right? Mumbai, like. Sir, record inserted successfully. Sir, up to this, how many records inserted, sir? 2 records. One is Durga, second one is Sunny. Sir, let me cross check. Okay, sir, this continuation is as it is. Let me cross check in my database, right? Sir, select a star from employees. Yes, 2 records came or not? Yes, 2 records inserted in the database. Let me open once again my command prompt. Do you want to insert one more record? Yes, boss, I want to insert one more record. Enter employee number 300. Enter employee name. Okay, Bunny. Next, enter employee salary 3000. Enter employee address. Okay, HYD, like this. Sir, third record also inserted. Do you want to insert one more record? Yes, sir. Yes. Enter employee number 400. Enter employee name, some Chinni, like this I'm taking. Enter employee salary 4000. Enter employee address HYD, like this. Are you getting? Sir, that's all. Sir, total how many records inserted, sir? How many records inserted? 4. Can you please let me cross check, sir? Either 4 records are available or not. Observe that 4 records came. 4 records came or not? Yes, happily 4 records by default inserted into the database. Now my question is, do you want to insert one more record? No, sir. No, stop the program. Is it clear, right? So by using prepared statement, how you can insert multiple records into the database, you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, I have one small doubt related to this example, sir. In this example, how many times, sir, query will be compiled? Only once. At the time of creating prepared statement only. At line number 14, the query compiled. But how many times query executed, sir? At line number 31, okay, pst.execute update, 4 times query executed. Sir, because I inserted 4 record, but query compiled how many times, right? Only once. Automatically performance by default will be improved or not? Yes, that is what you people should aware, sir. Sir, what is the advantage of prepared statement? Sir, query will be compiled only once, even though we are executing that query multiple times. Automatically performance by default will be improved. Now have you observed? Prepared statement. What is the meaning of prepared statement? Simple, sir. The statement which is already prepared. The SQL query already compiled. Prepared means what? Compiled. Pre-compiled SQL query. If you want to handle, happily we can go for what? Prepared statement. Clear? It's sir, compulsory you require to execute same program. In the last videos I covered with a simple statement, prepared statement. Big performance improvements by default will be there if I use prepared statement. Okay, that's all, sir.